This year, IKEA came to play and brought a whole suite of new products for 2026, including new lamps with new speakers and a $10 Bluetooth speaker in an assortment of different colors that actually will be available here shortly, that you can buy and connect about 100 together to make some incredible sound profiles. They had portable speakers that look very nice with replaceable grills that you can see here. One is battery powered. The larger two sizes actually do have a power cable that needs to be plugged in. The lamps come with a new controller in the box that is a kind of a click wheel that'll change the brightness, color pattern, and all of those good things. One of these remotes can control up to 3 devices at a time. In addition to that, these lamps do have a separate speaker system, as you can see under it, kind of like their past partnership with Sonos that is no longer in existence. But from what we heard with these lamps, they sound really, really good, luckily. There is also going to be a separate remote instead of just the scroll wheel one that you can use. That is purely just the regular click button, as you can see here, to turn on and off the lamps. There's a ton of different lamps in general, but they really came with a suite of upgrades to their existing sensor line as well. There are a ton that give a really, really big picture look of how your home is keeping everything in line and on track. You have plenty that give you CO2 readings. You have new sensors for door chimes. You have sensors for everything else you can imagine. Their smart home gadgets they really brought this year do look great. This window chime letting you know if a window's left open or not. You know, the best part about IKEA is their price point, and they offer something for a range of different consumers at any sort of price point you might need. So I'm excited to see what these look like in the upcoming next 6 months or so. They should all be out. Some are available starting today, and you will be able to pick them up as you need. So let me know what you guys think down below. What do you think of IKEA's new lineup that they brought this year to CES 2026? Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.